Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Heart failure. So in the heart failure, what is heart failure? Actually, there is dysfunction of the heart is seen. There is dysfunction of the heart as a pump is seen. Because the heart is not able to pump blood properly, there is insufficient oxygen delivery is seen. Because the heart is not able to pump the blood properly, there is insufficient oxygen delivery to the tissues is seen. Along with this, there is accumulation of fluid occurs in the lungs. So this is called as heart failure. Now, why does this heart failure occur? Now,
thank you and thank you for watching.